Talent. Ready.
Lights, camera,
Action.
I've spent a lot of money on the technology of this film, to be really honest. And that investment is not just for a film. That investment can be spread over 2-3 films because the technology is there now. So before it gets obsolete, I would like to utilize it and make a bigger, better VFX film. मुझे ऐसा लगता भी है कि हमारी जितनी टीम है अनुभव सिन्हा के साथ, हमको अब VFX फिल्म बनाना बहुत अच्छा आ गया है. और हम इसी टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ इससे बेहतर बढ़िया फिल्म और इससे सस्ती बना सकते हैं because now we know it, we know the process.
I founded the 100 Crore Club. Okay, so no, jokes apart. No, I think the whole thing started with the Hindi Gajni, जहाँ पे I think it was the first time that a film collected that much and broke this 100 crore का record. So I guess me and Amir are the founding members of the 100 Crore Club. And I keep renewing my membership.
Why? Yeah, 100. Yeah, I want to be paid 200 crore.
Yeah, I want to be 300 crores.
We want to be in our own club. We don't want the 100 crore
100 club, yeah.
Yeah, we want 2 and 3.
We want our own women's only club.
Yeah.
I would prefer my wedding to be a very personal affair because that's exactly what it is. And just my family needs to be there and my relatives need to be there. And obviously the boys' side also we'll call. So then
all these high-profile weddings normally have star performances as well.
Yeah.
So अगर आपके पास कोई offer लेकर आएगा तो आप not as wedding planners, as the star performers, would you be a part of it?
क्यों नहीं, हमारा job ही है as a performer.
Entertainer.
As an entertainer, it's my job to entertain, and I will on any stage.
Okay, and what about you?
I'm still debating this. I still haven't ever performed. I mean, I've been offered a lot of times to perform at weddings.
Really?
Yeah, a lot of times.
Really?
Yeah, but I've said no so far. I'm still debating it because I'm not really sure of what I want to do, so I've just been staying away from it. I don't know if I'm really comfortable going and dancing in people's weddings. I'm not very comfortable.
So medium, according to you, can change. You want to say something for sure?
He's laughing a lot. What is it?
I've actually done all this for free.
So might as well earn out of it.
I wouldn't mind getting paid for it.
You know, people recognize these item girls more than your actresses, and like nobody knew me more like for so much time after Veer. I would say that what Veer couldn't do for me, Character Deal has done for me. So
I made the film, I made the promo. Whoever wants to see it, let them see it. Otherwise, let them go.
So you're totally not concerned about the fate?
It's nothing I can do to concern. My job is to make a film. Their job is to decide to see it or not.
Yeah. Are you a natural businesswoman, or this is something you realize later? I'm Shetty. Yeah. We're born business people. My dad's a businessman. Yeah. I was studying commerce. I never had the confidence. I think that confidence came in with my husband, where he taught me to take risks. You know, मैं सिर्फ पैसे बनाने के लिए बिजनेस नहीं कर सकती. अगर मुझे कोई आके एक आइडिया सेल करे और बोले कि भैया ये कमाल का मनी स्पिनर होगा, और अगर मुझे विश्वास नहीं है उस चीज़ में तो मैं पैसा छोड़ो, मैं अपना नाम भी नहीं डालूंगी उसमें.
So let's take stock. आपके और राज के बीच में कितने business verticals हैं? How many things do you have your hands into right now?
Pretty much everything. Yeah, pretty much everything. He's very sweet. He says, "तुम मेरे लिए lucky हो तो whether I like it or not, I become part of his business." फंस गई हूँ मैं. क्या करूँ?
It is a rage, but also it's getting some bad comments on Twitter.
Is it?
Javed Akhtar, for example, tweeted recently. I'm gonna tell you what he tweeted. He said, "Everyone is praising the robes, but the emperor is naked. Tune ordinary, singing substandard, words an insult to sensibility."
Okay, I'm really glad it reached his ears. 1 crore hits on YouTube. I would like to stand with the majority. Sorry.
For sure.
I think it's amazing that, you know, I think we've been touchwood very fortunate that she's working with the same people that I did. It's such a family atmosphere and it's so amazing, you know. It feels nice.
What do you have to say?
I mean, of course, Akshay के साथ अक्षय कुमार या सलमान हो, I think बहुत कभी-कभी अजीब भी लगता है because they've seen me in 2 pigtails and a uniform and now they're like romancing me in these saris. I think for so long Salman and Akshay were like,
they couldn't
even like think of like, you know, नहीं बेबो के साथ नहीं यार, बेबो तो बच्ची है. So I mean, I think finally they've come to terms with, you know, understanding that my individuality also.
आप काफी brand savvy हो गए हैं. There are a lot of brands you're endorsing. So how do you go about choosing your brands?
जो चीज़ पहनता हूँ, करूँगा, सूंघूंगा, खाऊंगा, पहनूंगा, according to that.
Are there movies?
पीऊँगा. I believe कि जब आप किसी चीज़ को endorse करें, तो you make sure that you खुद खाओ, खुद पहनो, खुद सूंघो. You know, instead of कि आप ये करते हो, खुद इस्तेमाल तो नहीं करते, लेकिन आप लोगों को बोल रहे हो कि हम करते हैं और आप ये करो. For example, if I do say a गुटखा ad, you know, and I say that मैं ये गुटखा खाता नहीं हूँ. लेकिन मैं इसको इंडोर्स कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि अब आए मेरे पास, तुम्हें मदद कर लो, इतने पैसे दे रहे हैं, मैं बिंग में डाल देता हूँ.
2004, I was part of the reality show. There was a task of sperm donation in Allahabad. I was 19 that time, so I donated sperm, authentic sperm donor.
So you have actually donated your sperm?
Yeah.
Would you ever do that?
Yeah, why not? I must be doing that, no one knows.
We were different in the 90s. We didn't bother in the 90s. All of us hardly scripts sunte the, 4 action sequences, 4 gaane, ho gaya
The
kaam.
secrets are out now.
Yeah, seriously. 90s we were doing 12 to 13 films at a time.
Yeah.
18, 19 films at a time, and the producers came up with a ceiling that, you know, actors will not be allowed to do more than 11 films at a time. So imagine how many we were doing. In the 90s, we were not so professional. I think because of these, ये जो corporate हो गया और ये जो नए लड़के आए हैं, सब इतने ज़्यादा professional हो गए हैं, तो हमको भी होना पड़ा.
And I always knew कि picture super hit होगी. Like my next film, हिम्मत वाला, वो Houseful 2 से बड़ी super hit होगी. आज बोल रहा हूँ मैं आपको. 95% critics जो इंडिया में हैं, उनको फिल्मों के बारे में कुछ पता ही नहीं है. मैं आपको दावे से कह सकता हूं कि हे बेबी का पहला रिव्यू पढ़ा था मैंने, और उसके बाद मैंने आज तक मेरी एक फिल्म का एक रिव्यू नहीं पढ़ा. मैंने अपने पूरी टीम को, असिस्टेंट्स को, एक्टर्स को, फ्रेंड्स को, यहाँ तक कि मेरी ओन सिस्टर फारा को ये कहा है कि मैं रिश्ता तोड़ दूंगा अगर कोई मुझे SMS या ईमेल भेजेगा 4 स्टार, 5 स्टार या 1 स्टार रिव्यू का.
इतनी बड़ी फिल्म, इतना खर्चा किया, कहाँ गए, क्या शूटिंग की, वो जरूरत नहीं थी ना. अच्छी कहानी करो, उसमें जरूरत है.
Probably this is the most irritating part of filmmaking, publicity, you know. And like in the morning we are here, in the night we are there, in the morning. So you know, by the end of it, you're like in a daze and you're just talking, repeating the same thing. So little difficult.
So co-producer एक तो आपने पैसा लगाया, but apart from that, the responsibility also falls on you. Promote करो. Is Shahrukh helping you with any of the promoting things?
अरे अगर शाहरुख हमको हेल्प कर दे तो हमको यहाँ क्यों भागना पड़ता?
आपके ज़माने के जो सारे स्टार्स हैं, उन्होंने अपने बच्चों को एक बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म देकर लॉन्च किया है. तो शाहरुख के साथ ऐसा नहीं हुआ. He's made it on his own. So what were your reasons for that?
I'm very proud. I'm very happy. And I feel very bad that I could not do it for him. The only thing I did for him was I requested David Dhawan to make him his assistant. That is my contribution.
There is no Indian adult film industry here.
It's not legalized yet, but
it won't. I personally think that it's not something that will be legalized for a few generations.
You know, in the adult film industry, money, there's a lot of money. So you're ready to let that go for Bollywood?
What do you want me to do?
Really? So I'm going to be a manager now.
What would you want me to do?
I will talk to you about this later for sure.
I have no idea what the future holds. Every single week, every single month since I stepped into this country as Sunny Leone has been a crazy ride. Crazy ride, and it's only getting better.
आपका popcorn film entertainment भी रहा है जो आप
है लेकिन disaster रहा हूँ as a producer. Every film I made was a disaster, and that's why I strongly believe that, you know, actors make very bad producers. From a film perspective, मैं बहुत ही खराब businessman रहा हूँ, so I'm not meant for the business of Bollywood.
Actually, ये Illuminati की सबसे economical film है. Most of we rehearsed this before, na? That we have to say this film doesn't cost too much. Okay. Then why are you doing that now? Okay. See, we have a deal and then she kills it.
I have no idea how to react to your reaction right now.
You ask her this question. The way I want to do it is I want to say Deepika takes care of the business side of things, and I want her to answer. I'll give you the answer also. Say that whatever the cost of the film has already been recovered from satellite and music. Okay. So, you know, we are very
so you
economic.
know you sell the satellite rights.
I just said whatever the cost of the film has been recovered from music.
It's already a hit.
So we just have to cover.
We
have to cover a publicity.
So I'm already opening the papers and it says super hit.
Yeah,
it's
before.
already happened.
But it has to run at the box office.
Okay, we're waiting
to
for
also
that
make money. She's very expensive. She'll want a good bonus. Okay, go.
I'm sorry, but I've not even got like my full payment for this film yet.
Mahesh and Mukesh Bhatt ji कुछ ऐसे बात कर रहे हैं अभी that you know they're giving you a second chance.
It's great. If it's a second chance, I'm happily accepting it. You know, these are all things which are said. Mukesh ji, if you know, he's a very, very sentimental guy. Because I've made chapatis in that production, you know.
And you also know them too
I've been like a little girl on that set. So during the 8 years that we didn't work, there were offers from Vishesh Films. There were various reasons why we couldn't work together. But I think it was destiny that we had to work on Raz 3.
क्या ये हम कह सकते हैं कि most celebrities or maybe almost all of them, but television show करना ही is let's do it for the money क्योंकि otherwise there's no other interest.
उसमें और क्या interest है? आप क्या talent दिखाएंगी judge बनके? And my last question to you is, now that you are Mr. Yatra, what according to you is the best honeymoon destination?
I think Galaxy Apartment would be a good one.
I think so too.
Yeah, na?
Yes.
Yeah. And before marriage.